In every relationship, whether romantic, familial, or even between friends, there often comes a moment when one person seeks or is offered another chance. This moment can be filled with hope, hesitation, pain, or even relief. Given a chance in a relationship is a topic that speaks deeply about trust, forgiveness, change, and the willingness to rebuild something that once felt broken. Let's explore it in detail. What does being given a chance really mean? Being given a chance in a relationship doesn't just mean continuing as if nothing happened. It means someone believes in the possibility of growth, healing, and change. It means they're willing to look past the mistake or pain and offer an opportunity to start again, possibly stronger and wiser than before. This chance is not a guarantee of the same love or trust as before, but it's an invitation to earn it back. Why do people ask for another chance? People ask for another chance for different reasons. They realize the value of the person or relationship only after it's been damaged or lost. They acknowledge their mistakes and truly want to make amends. They feel remorse and have learned from their past behavior. They want to grow and prove they are capable of better. Sometimes, people ask for a second chance out of guilt or fear of being alone. That's why the intention behind asking for another chance matters deeply. What makes someone worthy of a second chance? Not everyone deserves a second chance, but many do, especially when they take full responsibility for their actions, show consistent and sincere efforts to change, respect the other person's boundaries and healing process, demonstrate patience, instead of demanding instant forgiveness. Understand that rebuilding trust takes time. Words mean little if not followed by consistent actions. A second chance must be earned, not expected. The importance of forgiveness and healing, forgiving. Someone doesn't mean forgetting the pain. It means deciding to let go of the weight of resentment. Forgiveness is more for your own peace than for the other person. If you decide to give someone a chance, it's important to release the past, not deny it, but accept that it happened and choose to move forward from it. Healing is a personal journey, and it happens at different speeds for everyone. For the relationship to grow again, both people need space to heal. Risks of giving another chance. Every second chance is a risk. There's always a possibility the person may not change, or that old wounds may reopen. Sometimes, giving another chance leads to the same cycle of pain. That's why setting boundaries and communicating clearly is essential. Here are a few red flags to watch for before giving another chance. Repeated behavior with no real accountability. Manipulative apologies that shift blame. Lack of effort in rebuilding trust. Promises without action. Signs the relationship deserves another chance. While no one can predict the future, some signs indicate a relationship might be worth saving. Both people are willing to work through the issues. There's open, honest, and respectful communication. The past mistakes are acknowledged, not brushed aside. There's a sense of mutual love and commitment to improve. The relationship had strong foundations before things went wrong. How to rebuild after being given a chance. If you're the one who got another chance, be honest and consistent in your actions. Listen more than you speak. Apologize. Genuinely, without excuses, be patient. Healing and trust take time. Show through your everyday behavior that you're committed to doing better. If you're the one giving the chance, set clear expectations and boundaries. Don't rush your healing process. Communicate your needs and concerns. Let the other person prove themselves over time. Protect your peace and trust your instincts. When not to give a second chance. Sometimes, holding on hurts more than letting go. You don't owe anyone access to your life if they've abused your trust repeatedly, disrespected your worth, ignored your feelings or boundaries. caused deep emotional or physical harm. A relationship that destroys your peace is not worth saving, no matter how many apologies are offered. The beauty of growth. After mistakes, when a second chance is embraced sincerely, it can lead to a deeper, stronger bond. It can open the door to personal growth, maturity, and a more meaningful connection. The pain that once divided you can become the foundation of your new strength, if both people are truly committed to making it work. Second chances are not just about fixing what's broken. They're about building something better, with lessons learned and hearts open. Conclusion. Given a chance in a relationship is not just about restarting. It's about rebuilding, with patience, growth, respect, and genuine change. Sometimes people surprise us with their ability to grow. Other times, walking away is the most loving thing you can do for yourself. The key is to know your worth, listen to your heart, and make a decision based on respect for yourself and the relationship.